Good morning, Wootton. This morning during Patriot Time, we will spend time learning more about the coronavirus, understanding how it's impacting our community, and what we all can do to keep ourselves healthy and calm during this time. But first, I would like to acknowledge how challenging and concerning it may be for many of you as we learn more about the virus and as we hear more and more reports of confirmed cases, both abroad and locally. This is a challenging time, and you might be feeling unsettled and fearful as a result of the news about the coronavirus. As always, I encourage you to speak to your trusted adult about your fears and concerns. I also ask that you find trusted news sources such as the CDC and the Maryland State Department of Health and Human Services to find reliable, factual information about the virus. Montgomery County Public Schools also has a website dedicated to the coronavirus and links to the CDC for your information. Many of you have also wondered whether school will be closed as a result of the coronavirus. At this time, schools will remain open and students are expected to attend. Any decision to close schools will come from the Maryland State Department of Health and Human Services and not Montgomery County Public Schools. The decision is made based on the relative threat level of the coronavirus spreading, and at this time, the threat level remains low. You will learn more about this in a few minutes during Patriot Time. So, Wootton, what can we do to remain healthy and calm during this time? Let's begin with taking care of ourselves. I have asked our school nurse, Miss Eversley, to join me to provide us with some tips for self-care. Miss Eversley?
Good morning, Wootton Patriots. My name is Mrs. Eversley. I'm your school nurse. There are a number of things we can do to help prevent the spread of coronavirus and other viruses that are circulating this time of year. First and foremost, remember to wash your hands in warm water with soap for at least 20 seconds. This is especially important after you've gone to the bathroom, before you eat, after blowing your nose, coughing, or sneezing. If no soap and water is available, you can use hand sanitizer that's at least 60% alcohol. Also, it's important to remember to cough and sneeze into your sleeve. If you use a tissue, please remember to dispose of the tissue in a trash can immediately after you've used it. And again, wash your hands with soap and water. Also, if you are sick, please stay home. If you're in school or other places out in the community, please avoid people who are sick or not feeling well. And the CDC at this time does not recommend the use of masks unless you are sick. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Miss Eversley. As Miss Eversley stated, it is imperative for all of us to wash our hands often and thoroughly. Please note that our wonderful building services team will continue to have soap stocked in all of the bathrooms. If you visit a bathroom that does not have soap, please let a staff member know immediately so that bathroom can be restocked. Also, you will see members of the building services team wiping down handrails, door handles, and other areas. Please do your part in discarding tissues and trash in the appropriate receptacles and generally keeping our school clean. Finally, I would like to address a concern regarding the treatment of some of our students of Asian descent as a result of the coronavirus. We are a diverse community, and that diversity makes us strong. As a community, we do not tolerate prejudice or stereotypes, and unfortunately, because of misinformation, some members of our community have been unfairly targeted and mistreated. This behavior is unacceptable and will not be tolerated. Please do your part in treating all members of our community with respect. We will begin Patriot Time now. We hope that our focus on the coronavirus will help to answer any questions you have about the virus and will help you understand what we all can do to keep ourselves healthy and calm. I thank you for being an active participant in today's lessons, and as always, please let me or any staff member know if you have any questions or concerns. Have a great day, Wootton.